So you want to break free from the 9 to 5 and make $1,000 per week? Then this video is for you. My name is Karen, and in this video, I'll share with you some skills that you can learn where you can definitely make that kind of money and do it from the comfort of your own home. I have friends who are making money from these methods, and I know if you really want to make a change, these are some great options for you. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first way you can make $1,000 a week is to become a freelancer. I'm going to share with you a couple ideas of how you can make this kind of money. Now, we're going to go over to Fiverr. This is an absolute gold mine. First thing I want to talk to you about is to create YouTube thumbnails, and there's so many people out there right now that need YouTube thumbnails. And if you become really good at this and are able to do it in a timely manner, you can make some really good money. Let me show you some examples here. You can see all these people that are making thumbnails. They're anywhere from $5. I found someone who is charging $100 to create 5 custom thumbnails. And if we take a look at some of the thumbnails he makes here, not too difficult to make. I'm going to share with you software you can do this. And then there's another person that charges $30 to make one thumbnail, and you can see that he has 2 orders in queue, so I would say he's making at least $60 a day. And you can start out charging $5, and as you get better, you can raise your price. And again, if you can make them very quickly, that is key. And this is a software I wanted to share with you that you can create thumbnails with. It's called Thumbnail Blaster. It costs $37 one time. I'll leave a link in the description below this video, but you can make them very easily inside of this software here. So if we go here and click on Thumbnail Creator, and then we're going to click on Start with No Video. And just the basic here, the predefined, you'll get all these templates, and you could just basically go in and edit them. And I think a lot of these people on Fiverr do use Thumbnail Blaster or something like that. Or you could even use Photoshop and learn how to do that. But it's a skill that will pay you very, very well. I'll tell you personally, I outsource my thumbnails and I purchase them from Fiverr, and I pay $10 a thumbnail, and I order for a week. So right there, I spend $40. Someone can make that amount of money from just me in 1 week. And so if you had someone's thumbnails that you were creating for them week after week, like me, and I had some sort of design that I used over and over again, you could just save my template in Thumbnail Blaster and go in and just simply put in a new image, change the text, and then do whatever else that they wanted you to do. But it's pretty easy to do, and again, the more you do it, the better you'll get at it, and it's a skill that will pay you very, very well. The other thing I wanted to mention to you is you could learn how to be a video editor. And I do edit my videos, but I'm going to be outsourcing them. And you can see this person right here, they obviously have experience in this, but again, this is something that you can learn. They make $45 for editing a video under 30 minutes, and you can see they have 14 orders in queue. So that's close to $650 just for these orders right here. And I imagine that this person is getting a lot of orders. So if you do become very good at video editing, this is a great way to make money, because there are a lot of people out there that need video editing. Or you can also go to Upwork and offer your services there. You can see people get paid $50 an hour, $65 an hour. So this is a great skill that you can learn and get paid a lot of money. Next, you could become a social media manager. There are companies out there that know they need to have a presence online, but yet they don't know how to manage their social media accounts. And so if you know anything about Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, all the social media sites out there, you could make a very good business for yourself. And I will recommend someone to you. Her name is Kate Buck. She taught herself how to become a social media manager. And if you want to do this seriously from home and be able to make a full-time income, I would recommend going to her website, kbjonline.com. And she does have courses that are very, very reasonable on how to become a social media manager. You can see right here, Start a Home Business Today. And so if you're interested in social media, this is a great way to make at least $1,000 or more a week. Oh, and by the way, speaking of making money from home, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and check it out if you'd like. The next thing is to become a content creator on YouTube. One of my friends just crossed over $11,000 in 1 month just through Google AdSense revenue, where people click on ads on your videos. Now, this is a long-term strategy. It will not happen overnight, and it does take a lot of work and dedication, but it can pay off for you, and you can create channels where you don't even show your face. I talk about that a lot on my channel here. For an example, Natural Cures here is a great channel to look at. Then they never show their face, and they create these simple videos, and they have voiceover, and then they add video that you can get for free on Pexels or Pixabay.com. But for example, this channel right here, if we click on their Social Blade stats, they make anywhere from $445 to $7,000 per month. And I have found in my research that this tends to be low. So with over 3 million subscribers, I'm sure that that is more than $7,000 a month. So creating content on YouTube can not only pay you through Google AdSense, but also through affiliate marketing. And I've made a lot of money through affiliate marketing just through YouTube. And the next thing is to become an affiliate marketer. And this is where you sell other people's products or services. And when someone purchases through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. And I'll tell you that just in this last week, I made a couple of commissions I didn't even know about for over $700. And that's just through my YouTube channel. So YouTube is a great way to promote affiliate products. Blogging is another great way. But I want to share with you a couple really good products to promote. If you go to digistore.com, you can click on Internet and e-business. This one right here, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr, is an excellent course to promote. He has a great webinar, and you do earn 50% commissions of the $997 for the course. That's the first one. I also wanted to share with you, if you click on Personal Development, this product is excellent, Overnight Millionaire, and that's Wesley Virgin's product. And this does pay less, but it does convert very, very well. They've paid affiliates over $300,000 last month. And the EPC is $7 per click on cold traffic using Facebook ads. So he does have a lot of great ways to promote this on his affiliate page. Number 5 is launch jacking, and this is where you get in front of products that are about to launch, digital products. A great site to go to is called Muncheye, and you can see all the different launches that are coming up. So what you would do is create either blog posts or YouTube videos doing a review on the product before it comes out, and you can contact the product owner and see if you can get a review copy. But you'll be doing several different posts, either again on YouTube or on a blog, before it actually comes out. And then when people start promoting this product, then they'll see your content, and then when it comes out, you create another video or blog post telling exactly what is in the course. And I was able to make some really good money with a product called the YTA method. I wasn't exactly launch jacking, but I saw that this product had been promoted on Facebook ad. I actually bought the product, and then I went over to YouTube and I saw that no one had done a review on it. And most of the time when people are looking to buy a product, they want to see a review on it before they purchase it. So I created a YouTube video and did a review on it, and then people just came and saw my review and purchased the product. I didn't even have any bonuses, which if I had, I'm sure I would have sold a lot more than that. But you can see that I made over $4,500. Let me go ahead and refresh this right here so you can see. That right here, if I click on YouTube automation and all time, again, over $4,500. So launch jacking is a great way to make some really good money. And number 6 is to be a high ticket closer. Now, this is not something obviously that you would learn overnight, but it is a great way to make a lot of money. I mean, you could make thousands of dollars just on one sale. And there's so many companies out there right now that are selling digital products, and they need high ticket closers. In fact, the other day, my mentor just posted on his Facebook wall, does anyone know any good high ticket closers? And so if you get really good at selling, and a lot of people have a negative connotation with selling, but it's basically just telling someone about a product and seeing if it's a good fit for them and helping them make an informed decision. And if you do want to get into selling, I do recommend this book. It's by Maxwell Maltz. It's called Zero Resistance Selling: Achieve Extraordinary Sales Results Using the World-Renowned Techniques of Psycho-Cybernetics. I'll leave a link in the description below this video to this Audible book, and I highly recommend it, again, if you are going to get into some high-ticket sales. Number 7 is you could create a course, like a mini course, for example, on Kartra, which is an autoresponder, and they have all kinds of things in their page builders. But you can become an affiliate for Kartra and earn 40%, about $40 per person per month that you refer to Kartra. But you could create a little course on how to create sales funnels inside of Kartra, and then have your affiliate link in the course. Or you could create a course on ClickBank, how to create a sales funnel for ClickBank product. You get listed inside of Udemy, and there's all kinds of free courses in here, and that's what people do, is they create free courses and then they have affiliate links inside their courses. And you probably are saying, well, how do I know how to create a course? I don't know anything. Well, here's what you can do. You can go inside of Udemy, and let's say you wanted to make money through the Shopify affiliate program. What you could do is come in here and look for Shopify courses. Click on price. There's 191 free courses. And what I would do is go through all these courses, come up with your own course, and then obviously you're not going to copy it, but just get ideas from different courses of what they teach and make your own course, put it inside of Udemy, and then have a link to Shopify, because people who are looking to learn how to have a Shopify store are going to need a Shopify store, and so they could purchase through your affiliate link. Another idea is a product that just came out. It's called GrooveFunnels, and a lot of people are jumping from ClickFunnels to GrooveFunnels because GrooveFunnels is free, but 1 in 5 people are upgrading, and that's going to be residual income for you. So you could create a course on how to create sales funnels inside of GrooveFunnels, and then have your affiliate link to GrooveFunnels inside of there. Also, you can give bonuses to help people make a buying decision and make more sales that way. And number 8 is to be a content creator for blogs or niche websites. Here's an example of a really great niche website, Camper Report, and they make money through ads. So people click on ads, and they also make money through the Amazon affiliate program. So you can see they do product reviews here. And if we click on here, for example, this $90 portable power bank, they're doing a review on that. And then when people click on that, it takes them over to Amazon, and then they make a commission when someone purchases this product. And I do have a whole entire video going over this in depth, how to be a content creator for blogs and niche websites, and how to predictably replace your income in 24 months with passive income on blogs and niche websites. I will leave a link in the description below this video to that video so you can check it out and see how you can make some really good money on blogs and niche websites. So I hope you go out there and learn some of these skills and make some really good money. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to make big money online as a broke beginner. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.